So here we are in Rotterdam. We're checking out Bilderberg Parkhotel. So here we are outside the hotel. This hotel is about maybe a 15 or 20 minute walk from the central train station. And yeah, here we are outside the hotel, so let's head inside. The check-in process was pretty easy. I did have to pay a deposit and some city tax, and then I was given the card key to my room. This is the lobby area. Just next to the lobby there is like a small bar / restaurant, so let's check this out. Now let's head to the room that I stayed in. So my room was on the 11th floor. Immediately we can see from the hallway there's some really nice views, especially on the other side. You can see like a church there. Let's check out the room. So I stayed in room 5116. Great. So first impressions, I really like the floor to ceiling windows. The design of the room is pretty nice. It's got like a desk there in the corner and like a small coffee table too. It's quite a spacious room, to be honest. I love the subtle lighting as well. We've got a TV system here. We've got LED lights throughout the room. Yeah, really nice room. Something else, another feature is that they have like Bluetooth speakers as well, so you can just connect your phone up to those Bluetooth speakers. We've got some glasses there with a bottle opener, and this is like the desk area, and there's a coffee maker there. Coffee maker is by Lavazza, and we've got a kettle and some teas and also some coffee pods and milk and 2 mugs there as well. Yeah, it's a nice themed room. We've got the wood throughout the room. We've got like a grey theme with some red like on the cushions and the desk chair too. So this is the view from the room. Let's check out the closet area. A reasonably sized closet. We've got a safe in there too. We've got a couple of hangers. And in the other one we've got some gowns. More storage space there for you too. Let's check out the bathroom. So quite a spacious bathroom. We've got a very big shower area. There's also a bathtub. And they've provided us some gels and shampoos from Rituals, which is quite an expensive brand. yeah, so that's pretty much everything for the room. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now I think we should go and check out breakfast. So breakfast was served from 7 o'clock in the morning till 11 a.m. Here is everything that's available for breakfast. Now the hotel also has a 24-hour gym and also a sauna too, so let's go and check that out. Pretty impressed by the size of the sauna. It's quite big for like a hotel. Usually hotels tend to have these small saunas, but this one is huge. So that's everything for this hotel. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and if you have any questions, let me know, and thank you for watching.